Hi everyone. Today we'll see the market analysis how it behaved on 18th and the plan for 19th. If you see a bank nifty today opened exactly the support which we have drawn yesterday. So this is the support where yesterday after breaking it given a good move. So if it market opens in between this range, so in between this range maximum chances of range bound market. So same happened today, exactly opened at the flat note, after that a sharp reversal. So market stood entire day in the same range. If you see my last video, there I have seen yesterday bank nifty moved around plus 440 points, 440 points. But if you see, nifty moved only plus 230 points. So either bank nifty has to catch up the nifty, or nifty has to catch up the bank nifty. So same thing happened today. So bank nifty came down to minus 270 points to catch up the futures what we have discussed in yesterday's analysis call. So if you see today's, so market opened on a CPR. So exactly opened in the CPR range. So it stayed in the same CPR zone. Let me close other indicators. It will be clear. So so if you see, this is the CPR. So market opened in between this in on CPR. So maximum day it will chance of doing a range bound market. What happened today? So if market opens on a flat note tomorrow, maybe chances, because here we are having a very high support here. So if this symmetric triangle breaks, then we can see around 200 points upside either side, downside. But downside we have this resistance, so it is causing around around 200 points range we have in a downside and upper side also. If it opens directly gap up, then we can see a target. If opens on a gap up directly, so then we can see a directly target around 48,200. So if it opens on a gap down directly, if it hits here, then we can see a gap filling here around 47,000 for 747,180 everything, so around 800 points. But we cannot expect directly in that range until it breaks 47,650. 650 is a very high support, because 2 3 times it has taken a support and then given a one-sided momentum. So we have to be cautious on this 47,600. So let us go to the Nifty analysis. So if you see a Nifty, so exactly around the yesterday's range where it has been broken, exactly taken a support here by seeing a first candle. So after that it given a one-sided momentum. So this momentum after breaking with this candle, so we have entered here and went to a short position. So let me show you the short position which I have taken. So this is the short position I have taken. Um, so this as a SL, this long width candle as a SL, and here I kept this as a target, because I have expected and it is clear that market will stay in a range bound. So even this will act as a this consolidation zone, and given a breakout, this will act as a very high support. So I have exited here because it will act as a very high. Even market is moving around 100 around 40 points, but it didn't given a much premium was moved only around 20 points even this move. So this is the reason I have exited as quick as possible, because the yesterday's momentum was one-sided momentum. Anyhow, there was a chance of bouncing back. So same thing happened where I have exited it. So for tomorrow's analysis, if you see, if market opens on a flat note, again we have a chances. If in between this range, then we have a chances of again market stays in a range bound. Here, if you see a CPR, here also we have a CPR support. So in between, if anyhow CPR opens, so we have a chances of range bound. So CPR support it taken. After that, it move a little upside for 20 points, and then again it taken a sharp reversal. So market entire day stays in a CPR range. So if market closes any above or below in this chain, if opens above this, then we can see a target around 100 points on above side. Around 41,500 will be our next target. 41,500 will be our next target. Let me draw a long line. 41,550 is our next target. If it breaks on a this semantic triangle on a downside, first support hurdle we can see at 20,635, 21,365. So this will act as a very strong support. If this breaks, immediately we can see a target around 21,318 and then 21,240. So this is a W, similar small W pattern. So this one act as a, so this is acting as a very high. So break, then retest and then break. So this is acting as a very good breakout. So it has to break. It should come if it wants to come down. Thank you, and we'll see the how Asian markets will flow, because entire day it is also stayed in a range bound. So I'm expecting either flat note or flat to negative note tomorrow. Thank you, and we'll meet tomorrow's analysis call.